In this video, I will show you how to group rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select your data. Now click on Data, Group, and click on Group. Here you can select rows or column. Then click on OK. So this is the first group. Similarly, select this. We will create second group. Select it, Data, and Group. Select rows or column. Similarly, select both group. This time select column. To ungroup, select them and click on ungroup. So this way you can group or ungroup rows and column in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.